Here today I wanted to show you an overview of MICTUNING's 22-inch curved LED light bar. This light bar is a 120 watt light bar. So this light actually comes with everything needed to get this light installed onto your vehicle. It does come with a wiring harness that I believe offers 12 feet of wire. It comes with the relay, all the connectors that are needed in one pack. It also comes with a toggle switch for the light bar, which is here. So that's nice that it also comes with a nice little toggle switch that lights up once you have it on. And also included are the generic mounting brackets which mount on the side. And now to the actual light bar. I said this is a 20-inch. It's made of all metal. It's fairly light for a light bar, but it's all metal construction. We have about 3 feet of wire that's bare at the end from the light. It's painted a high gloss black, and here on the sides where you would mount the bracket to. And here's the other side. So it is a full complete kit. If you're planning to install a light, you are going to need the wiring harness and the toggle switch, and this kit includes it all. But just wanted to give you a quick overview of what was included in this 22-inch light bar.